And last on our list here in the category of old school brokerage accounts is Charles Schwab. Charles Schwab, or just Schwab for short, is a well-known and trusted investment platform that was founded in 1971, which definitely makes this old school. They offer a wide range of investment account types, and their services are great for both beginners and experienced investors. Beginners will appreciate the easy-to-use app and desktop platform, the easy-to-reach customer service, and the fact that they can go to a physical branch location if assistance is needed. Experienced investors or traders, on the other hand, will appreciate the Think or Swim trading platform, which is specifically designed for active trading strategies. However, you might find the user interface seems a little bit dated, as they are an older company after all. And beyond just investment accounts, Schwab also offers banking services such as a checking account with no fees, as well as strong research and educational resources too. So guys, if you're looking for an old school, time-tested broker with a ton of useful features, you really can't go wrong with Charles Schwab.